We now turn to multiple new developments in the fight against COVID-19. Governor Whitmer holds her first coronavirus briefing since June as the White House rolls out a plan to combat a winter surge. We're going to begin in Washington, where late this afternoon President Biden worked to calm fears, also take some action against the Omicron variant.
Some of the few key points: the administration plans to ship 500 million free at-home COVID tests beginning next month. 1,000 service members and additional medical teams will be deployed to hospitals overwhelmed by the surge, including some in Michigan. And new vaccination and testing sites with increased access will be set up. The president urging those who have not been vaccinated to do so.
All these people who have not been vaccinated, you have an obligation to yourselves, to your family, and quite frankly, I know I'll get criticized for this, to your country. Get vaccinated now. It's free. It's convenient. I promise you, it saves lives. And I honest to God believe it's your patriotic duty.
We should also point out former President Trump also got the booster and has encouraged people to get it along with the vaccine. We'll hear much more from the current president ahead on the news at 5:30. Back here at home, Governor Whitmer held her first COVID-19 briefing since last summer. That was this morning.
Yeah, and unlike the beginning of the pandemic, the governor resisted any calls for more mandates or shutdowns. Rob Maloney joins us now from the newsroom with a look at the governor's thinking as the Omicron variant takes hold. Rod.
Well, Karen, while the governor continues her pleas to have Michiganders get vaccinated, it was the plaintive cries of a medical doctor that grabbed attention at the governor's press conference in Grand Rapids this morning. Hospitals continue filling with the COVID positive, and the workforce is truly feeling that pain.
At this juncture, we know that it's the unvaccinated population that is most at risk to themselves, to others, to all of us in terms of being a vector for a mutation.
The governor telling Michiganders get vaccinated and or boosted, mask up indoors with 2 masks, and get tested before the holidays. But we've been hearing this from the governor for the better part of 2 years now. So it was Spectrum Health pulmonary critical care doctor Shelley Schmidt who sounded the alarm in a most emotional way.
I have taken care of dozens and dozens who are dead from this virus. Nearly all unvaccinated. Healthy people in their 20s and 30s and 40s making their last FaceTime call to their loved ones.
She called the vaccine a medical miracle of the modern age and pleaded with those fearing the jab.
You will have to trust me when you or your relative comes to my intensive care unit and needs to be put on life support. Trust me now. Trust this vaccine.
We're making progress, but progress depends on all of us doing our part. Right now, that means getting vaccinated and getting boosted. The longer this virus lasts, the more it spreads and the more it mutates.
And the governor did say that she's been told Michigan is in for a tough 4 to 6 weeks. And yes, she's heard the reports about Omicron not being as serious as the Delta variant, but she said because it is so contagious, she says we simply cannot be certain that is the case. Back to you.
And Rod, what is the health department doing now to prepare as we head into the holidays?
Well, they've got a lot of things on their plate, Karen. One of the things they're doing is working on monoclonal antibodies in terms of making sure they're available to people who need them and want them. They're also looking for staffing issues, checking out hospitals to see if they need any help and try and make sure they get it. And then finally, they're working on getting ventilators delivered to places where they are needed as well.
Unfortunately, those preparations need to be made. All right. Thank you, Rod.